What's up, guys? If you want a chance to win a turbo kit for your car, Garrett Turbo, Turbo Smart Wastegate, Turbo Smart Blow-Off Valve, etc., click the link in the description below, join VIP, get automatically entered to win.
Let's go. Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix on the wheels.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. We are back on the E36 project, and I did some things off camera wanted to knock out this morning. So I made some custom radiator stays and pulled this tight, so that's all set and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the lower and upper radiator hose. That's good news. Mounted all of the radiator hoses, upper and lower. Those are all tight. The next step is to hook up this overflow tank because it's got a little port at the bottom. I think it's for the heater hose. Also has this sensor for the coolant height. So let's go ahead and mount this hose here over to this side. So the next step is to finish the assembly on the actual turbo itself. So I made this awesome little fitting earlier today. You guys probably saw me welding that. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this here. That's for my oil drain. And then this is the setup I'm running for the oil feed. May not be ideal, but this is what I'm gonna go with right now. Guys, the ricer has come out in me and decided to add some of this gold heat foil to the left side of the engine bay. Maybe it'll help a little bit, I'm not too sure, but we're gonna go ahead and add that and then add the turbo blanket once we install the turbo. Alright, that is the finished product of this awesome gold foil. Looks cool, we'll see how it works. Now it's time to mount the turbo.
A few minutes later.
Alright, another hardware pickup. I got some vacuum tees, some extensions, and the hardware I needed to mount the turbo. So this is from AutoZone, should be grade 10 or better than that. So let's go ahead and install this right now.
This is...
It's a tight squeeze, huh? We got the best hands in the game on the task, though.
Doctor. I'm a doctor. I learned from my mom. She's a doctor.
Ooh! Ooh! Well, there she is, boys. She's mounted. What I did realize is it looks like this fitting is gonna be too high to clear the hood, but for right now, we're gonna go ahead and get everything all dialed in. I talked to my tuner Jordan at Arcade Tunes. I have to do some stuff to remove some of the emissions, and he also mentioned that this is not going to work for me. So for the purpose of today, and as far as just cranking the car, making sure all the systems are working and there's no leaks, no coolant leaks, no oil leaks, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to proceed installing everything else, and then tomorrow, I'm going to install the flash tune. We're about to crank this car over. I don't care what you say. I got to do the vacuum routing, install the downpipe, an exhaust, an O2 sensor, and we're almost there.
One eternity later.
So a lot has happened since our last update here. Got the turbo mounted. Get that out of here. Got the turbo mounted, all bolted up, tightened down. Got the downpipe mounted, bolted, tightened up. I got the intercooler piping all set up and tightened all the way around. So this is all tight, everything is all tight. We are ready for fluids, we are ready for vacuum lines. So let's go ahead. Oh, one more little thing. Went to AutoZone, picked up a little air filter, and that, ooh, that fits nice. Go ahead and tighten that down. So Quinn is back. If you guys haven't checked out his videos about this whole process, go ahead, check it out. I'll put the link in the description. Right now we are running the vacuum lines from the wastegate as well as the blow-off valve. And other than that, are we ready to put oil in?
Just about. Just about.
My money is on explosion.
We'll see if it works.
What's your money
My
on?
money is on explosion.
You sure?
And oil everywhere. That's.
We just struggled for a while getting all the electrical clips. I had some stuff backwards, so Quinn noticed that. We got all the vacuum lines ready. I have the electrical fan just kind of zip tied here out of the way. We'll just plug this in. This needs to just, for right now, just go to atmosphere. We have no O2 sensors, but the purpose right now, we're gonna put some oil in, and then, oh, we gotta put this back in too.
We do gotta put that back in.
Okay, so this is called the CCV. We're actually blocking this off. The little trick is to block it off with a penny and epoxy it in. Let's go ahead and reinstall this, and then we're ready to put the oil in.
You can do it. There you go. Oh shit, I missed. Oh, squirt it.
I'm the turbos too. Turbo. So I was told to remove the
Fuel pump fuse?
fuel pump fuse.
You already know.
You get a fuel pump fuse.
Pulling fuses, boys.
Time to plug the power in.
Gotta prime this oil system.
So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I remove this grill so the intercooler is more exposed, or leave it more like a sleeper look?
Yeah.
Say that. Camera. There you go. Tell me to cut it if I need to.
All right.
Alright guys, I hate to do that to you, but unfortunately you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow if you want to see this thing run. I'm gonna get the tune installed in the morning, and then we're gonna take it out for a little rip. So, you wanna stay along with the progress, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.